Low blood pressure, high blood pressure, both of them can actually you, but everybody is only talking about one. Today we are going to talk about low blood pressure. And the medical word for it is hypotension. Hypo means low, tension means pressure. That's just how to explain it. This video is about the quiet one. It's the one that if you stand up, you feel dizzy. If you urinate, you can faint. Some of you are calling it stress. Some of you are calling it tiredness. But it's actually your blood pressure being too low. First of all, what is blood pressure? Blood pressure is simply how hard that blood is pushing through the walls of the vessels as it's moving. Normal blood pressure around 120/80. Look at it here. When that number starts to drop below 90/60, there's a problem. That is low blood pressure. The moment your blood pressure drops and blood is not reaching your brain fast, guess what happens? Your brain will start to panic. And that's when everywhere, your eye will start turning you, you start feeling dizzy. Some of you might even faint. And everywhere will just start blurring. Your body is giving you signs that you should not ignore. What are the things that cause low blood pressure? Number one is not drinking enough water, which is dehydration. Some of you, they have to beg you to drink water. I hope you know that one of the major components of blood is water, right? And if you lose too much fluid, the amount of blood inside your blood vessels will drop. And when there's less blood in the pipe, the pressure too will drop. So, Nkechi, drink water. Another thing that can cause low blood pressure is common infections. Things like malaria, typhoid, and even serious diarrhea can drive your blood pressure down to dehydration, blood loss, and in some cases, something we call septic shock, where one infection can spread around your body. I've actually seen it happen so many times. One infection spread around your body and reduces the entire blood pressure of the person. What is another thing that can cause low blood pressure? Malnutrition. Yes. Now, there are some things that is needed to make blood. Iron, vitamin B12, folic acid. If you don't have enough of those nutrients in your blood is not able to make enough blood, reducing the amount and reducing the pressure. So if you're having things like anemia just means that your blood is low or your blood is not carrying enough oxygen. Less oxygen, less blood, less pressure, more dizziness. Right? Also, you need to look at the medication that you are taking, because that's another thing that can cause low blood pressure. Some medications, especially if you're already treating high blood pressure, some of those medications can cause very low blood pressure if you are not paying attention. So please, check your medication, check your blood pressure, especially if you're on medication for hypertension. What do you now do if you notice that your blood pressure is low?